Hi, I'm Shelby, Product Manager here at RIDGID. I'm excited to introduce the RIDGID KM-1004 FlexShaft milling machine, which is our latest innovation for high-speed drain cleaning and milling inside 1.25" to 4" lines. The KM-1004 takes the FlexShaft line of drain cleaning machines to the next level. As the first hybrid FlexShaft on the market, it offers unmatched flexibility by running on an 18-volt RIDGID battery for portability or a dedicated power cord for extended milling and descaling jobs that demand the longer run times. The KM-1004 features an integrated I-clutch cable protection system that automatically adapts to the selected cable size. The electronic torque limiting system helps protect against cable breakage by shutting the machine off if the cable becomes bound in a heavy blockage. For ergonomic and efficient two-handed operation, the machine is activated by a foot pedal. An advanced front-mounted display and control panel make it easy to monitor cable distance, adjust rotational speed, and track job status. Operators can quickly increase or decrease speed, flip the screen orientation for improved visibility during use, and switch between measurement units such as feet and meters. Built-in wireless connectivity allows seamless syncing with the RIDGID Link app for job recording, reporting, and firmware updates. It's compatible with a full range of chain knockers, carbide tip knockers, brushes, sanding attachments, and reinstatement heads, giving you the versatility you need for any drain cleaning or pipe rehabilitation job. Now, let's walk through how to operate the machine. As always, refer to the owner's manual for proper use and PPE recommendations. Before you begin, set up the work area in a clean, dry, level location. Make sure the machine's cable outlet is positioned within 3 feet of the drain opening for proper control. Unhook the chain knocker and pull approximately 5 feet of cable from the machine. To change or install an attachment, first turn the machine off. Select the correct chain knocker for the pipe size and set the collar distance according to the instruction manual. Ensure the exposed cable distance between the sheath bushing and the accessory is 1/4 inch or less before tightening set screws securely. The KM-1004 comes standard with 80 feet of 5/16 inch dead core cable that's suitable for 2 to 4 inch pipes. It's also compatible with our smaller 1/4 inch cable for 1.25" to 2 inch pipes. Insert a fully charged battery or plug the machine into a wall outlet. Turn the on-off switch to on and set the rotation switch to forward. Insert at least 1 foot of cable into the drain before activating the machine. This prevents the attachment from whipping or catching as it begins to rotate. Depress the foot switch to begin rotation. Adjust the speed using the display controls as needed. Higher speeds are ideal for cleaning, while lower speeds help navigate bends. As with any FlexShaft machine, you'll want to clean on the way back. Push the cable out to the blockage or to the end of the length you need to descale, and slowly pull back the cable while cleaning or milling. While you pull the cable out of the pipe, make sure to push it back into the machine. Avoid allowing cable to accumulate outside of the pipe. When retrieving the cable, use a towel with cleaning solution or wipes to clean debris from the sheath as it re-enters the drum. If using a sea snake camera, feed it along with the cable, keeping the camera at least 1.5 feet behind the attachment to avoid contact. Once the blockage is cleared, run water down the line to flush debris while the attachment continues rotating. Stop rotation as the end of the cable approaches the drain opening. Never remove the attachment from the drain while it is spinning. The RIDGID KM-1004 FlexShaft milling machine delivers professional-grade performance, versatility, and precision on every drain cleaning and milling job. For more information, contact your local distributor or to schedule a demo, visit ridgid.com.